Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step process on how to install ASUS Wi-Fi drivers on Windows 11. First, find the PCIe slot on your motherboard and insert the PCIe AX58PT wireless adapter into the PCIe slot. Refer to your motherboard's user manually for extract locations of the PCIe slot. Next, install the antenna base by connecting the antenna to the PCIe wireless adapter. Adjust the antenna for the best signal from your router. If applicable, install the USB cable by connecting one end to the USB port on the PCIe AX58PT and the other end to the F_USB connector on your motherboard. Then, turn on your PC and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the driver installations. Next, to install the ASUS WLAN card driver, click on Install ASUS WLAN card driver. After that, read the End User License Agreement or EULA and check the box to agree. Then, click Install. Finally, once the installation is complete, click Finish to end the process and your ASUS Wi-Fi drivers will be successfully installed on Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more content like this.